Hello, today I would like to share a small tip, how to change SSRS parameter order. I'm using Adventure World database for this demo. This report allows the users to select category, subcategory, and view the internet sales. Previously, there were a couple of parameters which I have deleted, which ends up the parameters are now sitting on 3 rows and looks quite messy. Even though I could use the arrow key to move the parameter up, I still can't quite get them on the same row. The trick is actually drag the parameter to the cell you need. And now they are all sitting on the 2 rows. And it looks much tidier. I hope you find this tip useful. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.